So let's start with a demo of the Postman app, web app. So we can make 4 HTTP requests like get, post, put, and delete. So let's start with the get. And before starting that, let's have a look at because we have a db.json. So we basically going to get this particular 51 ID. Uh, we will make a request for getting this ID. So let's start. I will go to the readme file for this Postman Lite app. So as it says, open the browser and go to the localhost 3000. So we are already completed that step. And then the next is saying that make sure that JS server is running. So let's also confirm that. So as we can see in the VS Code terminal that our localhost 3001 is running. So now let's use this URL here. We will use this URL. Now the final step is click on the send request. So now we will go click on the send request button, and before that I want to go to the our database and then see whether we have something in the database or not. So currently it's loading. Okay, yeah, you can see that there is a table where there is no data inside this table. So that's all right. Now we're gonna be click this send request button. Yeah, you can see that there two things. First is the response that we are getting here, this particular response, and this is the database test history. So now if we go to this request table and see whether we are getting that data in our table or not. So currently it's loading. Yeah, now you can see that this is the request that we made, this get request, and now this is the response body. So now let's move to, now let's make a post request. So here again the first step will be same. Now we will change the drop down list from get to post, and then we will use this particular ID. So first step is that we need to change to the post, and now we will put this ID and we will use this body. So we simply gonna click on this, and now this we can directly use this body. So let's check. Yes, ID is a 53, title of the 50. Yeah, everything is all right. So now we should this particular ID should be get inserted into this. So now we will click on send request. So as you can see that the post request is made and response is there. Now let's go to check in the db.json. So you can find that there this got posted here, and we can also go and confirm in the database. So now we have to refresh this table. So let's go again, and currently it's loading, and okay, is we have to wait. Okay, now you can see the post request. Earlier it was just get, now we made a post request. So you can see that there is a request body and there is a response body. All right, so we already made two. Now let's see how to make a put request. So for put request we gonna update this ID number 53. So we are just simply gonna copy this particular body, response body, and here we will simply change the this. Now we will use this particular thing. So here 53, and now we just simply copy here, and now we will paste here. So now, yeah, so as you can see that 53, this okay, this updated title of this updated title. So now you can see that we have made a put request. So if you go into the db.json, you can say that it got changed. Now finally we will make a delete call. So for delete, you have to just take the ID number which you want to delete. So first go to the delete, and we will delete the 52. So now just simply send a request, and you can see that this is got deleted. So if you go to the .tv, so you can see that there is a no 52 ID body is present. So we can go here in the database, and we can check how many requests we have made till now. So currently it's loading, and you can see that we made all the 4 HTTP requests: get, post, put, delete. So that was a demo for this Postman Lite web app. I hope you enjoy the demo.